Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bala here and welcome again. This is another video. So last video we discussed about the evening star candlesticks, that is a bearish reversal based on 3 candlesticks pattern, and this video we are going to detail about that morning star. So it's nothing but, so that is opposite to evening star, but this was a bullish reversal where you can check that there is a morning star candlesticks pattern. There first candle should be red, the second should be gap lower but previous candle, and the next should be gap up by the second candle, and this formation which tell us there is a candlesticks pattern, that is morning star candlesticks pattern. This is also be giving you such a great kind of information where the market is going to reverse, so that we are going to make such a great information at the lowest point where there is a bullish opportunity at the very lowest level. So that we are going to discuss in this video, and I'm happy to announce that we are reaching more than 2800 subscribers. I was thankful to you all. Because of you we are doing such a great in our YouTube channel, and I got a lot of comments, so that is also giving you such a great things to me. And now let's move to the video, and if you are new, just subscribe. The evening star candle we have discussed about on our last video. Let's go for a dashboard, and again the morning star candlesticks pattern. So this is nothing but the opposite to the evening star. So I tell you simply the morning star candle pattern. This is the morning star candle pattern, first red, and this one second should be the green, and even it is more powerful. This one is looks right. So but here there is a red candle, not good like that. So when the two candles should be in green and first one should be in red, so that looks even better, right? So that code, how we are going to find out such a opportunity. So the same which is opposite to evening star, so that we simply change high greater than or lesser than, so then we can simply create the code. Okay, so now I will scan with the futures. So I will save it again. I'll scan with future. What are the stocks? So we find out small stocks, but there is a potential opportunity where we are going to take a trade in the bottom level, right? So recently some stocks forms August 27. So what it is, let's go for ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Yes, we have already checked it out. And ICICI Prudential, sorry, not ICICI Bank, it was ICICI Prudential. It tell us the candlesticks pattern. Yes, exactly this pattern forms the first red candle, the second one gap lower, third one gap higher, both to be a green candle. There is a breakout point. There you are making the stop loss. So this is what somewhere around exactly the entry point around 662. Then next day it moved to 673, almost 10 rupees. Your risk for the trade is 645, 645, 15 points. Again now it is trading below your entry point, but this is a good kind of pattern where we are going to find out that is a triple candlestick reversal, that is a bullish on morning star, right? And let's check it out. What about the previous stocks? IEX. Yeah, recently added future. IEX were recently added in a future, and yesterday I was checking this stock having big movement. I'm trying to buy an option, but I'm not able to buy what I'm expecting that price. But my planning is around somewhere 35 rupees. But next day it went. I think today it went up to 85 rupees. I think 440 call option. So that I was focusing to buy, but I am not able to buy that. But it is giving such a great opportunity. Where it is that pattern? Can you able to see that? Yes, here the pattern. Red candle, second one is gap lower and gap higher, two green candle. So that is the entry point 420. Now market is today 520. 100 points within a 10 days. Not move even 10 days to 6 days. Market moves 500 points, 100 points. I think 1250 is the large size. Such a great opportunity, right? So that is the pattern where it is forms at the bottom of the level. And like let's go to back and check it about what is the stock. Biocon. Go for a Biocon. Many times we are checking on a live market at what time it forms. That is 18.8. 18.8, I think this, sorry, 18.8, where you can see there is a reversal pattern. What happened in this? Upon here we don't have an opportunity at this, and it broken the level, started moving. There is no opportunity. We are expecting for a buy opportunity. If that buy is not happen, we don't get a chances for the trade, right? So but this candle is always working perfect. That is what the third candle reversal pattern. And this one happened July 7, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, right? HDFC Bank on 27/7. 27/7 here. We got it. This one, the pattern which is forms, and there is a breakout level, and it is bracket. And recently we are finding out the shooting star or a inverted hammer, and also the dark cloud pattern. They are expecting the sale. Don't have the sale opportunities on the stock. Instead of sale, it started moving higher and higher. Hope you got it. And a lot of stocks. So that is the scan which filter out that kind of great patterns which we are going to do that. So whenever you have such a good idea to make intraday or even a positional profit, that always working better, right? So buying at lower level, selling at a higher level, that always such a great opportunity, and that is a nice one for your great career, right? So read more about our strategies, that options that we are going to follow. But now I'll finish within a 2 to 3 days about my candlesticks pattern. So hereafter we are going to follow based on our candlesticks pattern trades. That will give you such a great opportunity. So I'm typing a message, sent it. Okay. Now, so again another great candlesticks pattern what we have learned on this video, that is what morning candlesticks pattern and morning and evening candlesticks pattern that works better, and having such a great idea to make some intraday and positional trading that was working good and best. And you can go through that and read and work out more about the patterns, how it is working on a live market, that you can discuss. And as of now, today's scenario I'll show you daily trade setup on live. We don't dark cloud, we got us some 3 stocks, TVS, Glenmark and Motherson Sumi. So let's see daily chart. TVS Motor, yes, dark cloud, Glenmark, as it is not a big one and it is not happening at recent high, so it's in the dark cloud cover, but it is already beaten. Okay, and Motherson Sumi, let's check it out. Motherson Sumi, and the dark cloud happened at highest level. Okay, that is after recovery. So we've marked some area where that market moves big. Okay, so there is a change point where there is good. Okay, so look at it. So that the setup which is forms on a daily dark cloud, 3 stocks, and let's go for another double candlesticks pattern. We are not using the double candlesticks pattern on intraday, so today I will go to make dark cloud. We seen it is the top which forms on Godrej CP. Let's go for a Godrej CP. What will happen on that? Godrej CP consumer product S 1100 So there is a double top or a user top or a matching high which forms at the highest. When it is broken below that level or at this level, they will go for that. Today it closed by very strongly, but we will check what will happen at that. Another important. Wait for that. Whenever we got such a trade opportunity, we will go for it. So we are tracking the stock. When we got opportunity, we are going to play with that. That's about this video. I hope the last video we are discussing about our evening star, and now we are going to discuss about morning star and another 3 candle, that is a 3 candlesticks reversal pattern. That is what somewhere 3 white soldier and 3 black cross. That when we discussed, and we will finish our 3 candlesticks. These are the more important 3 candlesticks pattern. That is good enough. And another one is doji at top, doji at bottom. with the like that was by gap up and gap down like that. So it was a rare to happen, and even though you can make it. Okay. That's about overall this video. Thank you for being with me, and thanks for watching.